You're welcome once again to class. And here we have the same question in the 2023 Wild Further Math question number 6. We are going to be attempting the question using another method. This time, a much more faster and easier method. The question again is, there are 6 boys and 8 girls in a class. If 5 students are selected from the class, find the probability that more girls than boys are selected. In our previous class, we arrived at this particular figure, 630 over 1001. And if you are to compute this in decimal, you are going to get an approximate value of 0.63. So we are going to be solving this particular question using a different approach, although it will still involve combination. Now I'm going to rub this off and we are going to use the new approach. There are 6 boys and 8 girls, making a total of 14. So number of boys, 6, number of girls, 8, giving us a total of 14. So the probability of choosing any of the boys will be any of these 6 boys out of 14 students. So probability for the boys will be any of these 6 over 14. And 2 can go here 3 times, 2 can go here 7 times. Then probability of the girls, of selecting any of the girls, will be any of the 8 girls out of 14 students. 2 go in 8 4 times, 2 go in 14 7 times. Now here is where the formula comes in. Since the question says we are to find the probability that more girls than boys are chosen, we are going to say 5 combination 3. Then we want to select 2 boys, 3 over 7. Then we select 3 girls, 4 over 7. At every point in time, when you add what you have here, it should give you back your 5. Then plus, then we now take 5 combination 4, because we want to choose 4 girls now. Here we choose 3 girls. Now we want to choose 4 girls. So it means that the boys will reduce by 1. That's 3 over 7 times 4 over 7 to the power of 4. Then plus, then want to pick 5 girls and no boy at all. So this becomes 5 combination 5, 3 over 7 to the power of 0. Then 4 over 7 to the power of 5. Now, pressing your calculator, you are going to obtain the values of 5 combination 3. 5 combination 3 will give us 10. If I square 3, I will get 9. If I square 7, I will get 49. Then, if I cube 4, I'm going to get 64. And if I cube 7, I'm going to get 343. Then plus, then 5 combination 4 is 5. Then you have 3 over 7. Then 4 to the power of 4 would give us 256. And 7 to the power of 4 will give us 2,401. Then lastly, I have 5 combination 5 will give you 1. Then anything to the power of 0, whether it's a fraction or a decimal, it will give you 1. Then 4 to the power of 5 is going to give you 1024. And 7 to the power of 5 will give you 16,807. If you multiply 10 times 9 times 64, you are going to obtain 5,760. Then if you multiply 49 by 343, you are going to get 16,807. Then if you multiply 5 by 3 by 256, you are going to obtain 3,840 over, if you multiply 7 by 2,401, you are going to get 16,807. Then plus, when 1 times everything here is still 1,024, and everything here is still 16,807. Now we have all our denominators to be the same, so we can go ahead to add up our numerator. So when we add up the numerator, we'll get 10,624 over, then the denominator 16,807. Now, if you punch this into your calculator, you are going to get 0.6321, which you can approximate to be 0.63. And recall that in the previous solution, we obtained an approximate value of 0.63. So you can find out that this question is actually not tough. It only needs you to what? To think. And that brings us to the end of today's class. Kindly subscribe to this channel. Share this video to your friends and colleagues. Bye for now.